Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in March, as I posted, Windows President Pavan Davaluri confirmed plans that Microsoft was going to be addressing pain points across Windows 11. And this is Microsoft's initiative to fix Windows 11 this year in 2026. Now, according to a post by Windows Central, which will be linked in the description, according to Windows Central sources, apparently this effort is codenamed Windows K2, and it's a project that was put together in the second half of last year that addresses the biggest complaints, as in the pain points, as mentioned, that people have with Windows 11 currently. Everything from AI bloat to performance issues and reliability mishaps. Now, Windows K2 isn't a dedicated release of the operating system. It's not going to be a feature update that's going to be rolling out. Instead, K2 is an ongoing initiative that will ensure Windows quality remains across current and future versions, according to the post. And the K2 initiative is broken up into three core pillars: performance, craft, and reliability. And as I've mentioned previously, Microsoft has a craft list with a list of the so-called pain points according to user feedback that it's going to be addressing. One or two examples is being able to move the taskbar around the screen and Windows Start menu improvements. Now, while we are talking about the Start menu, the K2 initiative is going to rely heavily on WinUR3, which is Microsoft's latest fluent design framework for building Windows apps. And I've just posted a video in regards to WinUR3, where Microsoft explains Windows 11 File Explorer scrolling issues, where we compared scrolling issues with WinUR3 versus Win32. I'll leave the video for that linked if you'd like more information. So Microsoft is leaning heavily into the new WinUR3. And the report suggests that K2 could be referring to a new system compositor that's been developed to reduce latency and memory overhead, so as to ensure that critical UI elements such as the Start menu and the taskbar remain responsive even under heavy system load. Now, if you'd like some more in-depth info, remember I said the article will be linked, but basically the gist of the K2 plan is it's basically a roadmap of how Microsoft wants Windows to evolve in 2026 and into the future. So hopefully this is going to be a positive movement in the right direction, which I think at the end of the day is a change and a movement and an initiative that Microsoft desperately needs due to the trust that has been broken with a lot of Microsoft and Windows's user base. And to some extent or the other, Microsoft is already rolling out some of these changes in the Insider program, which as I get the information, obviously, I'll let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.